Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to make chutney powder or chutney puri. Today I want to give a huge shout out to Sangavai, Malaysia. Sangavai ji is a very sweet lady. If you want to know anything about Malaysian cuisine, living in Malaysia, visit her channel. She's very sweet. And here are all the ingredients. Here I have equal measure of all dals. Urad dal, chana dal, moong dal and tur dal, and I have tamarind here. You can take half or 1 cup measure of tamarind depending on the taste of sourness you want. This is brown sugar I have taken. Even you can take jaggery as well. This is 1/4 cup of brown sugar I have taken. Salt to taste. And now here are the rest of the ingredients. I have chilies, red chilies, then I have oil for tempering, mustard seeds for tempering, and then I have turmeric, and I have curry leaves, more the merrier, and then I have hing or asafoetida. Let's get started. Now first thing I'll be doing is roasting all the dals to golden brown color. This is my urad dal. I have roasted and it is good to go. Now there goes in my tur dal. I will be roasting tur dal as well, and once this is roasted completely into a beautiful golden brown color, I will be putting it into a bowl for cooling down. Now goes in my moong dal, and I will be doing the same thing for the moong dal. You should try this recipe. It's really good. It is a family recipe that was passed down from my grandma to my mom, and from my mom to me. And here goes in my chana dal. I will be doing the same thing, but here let us see what I'll be doing. I'll be starting to roast the chana dal. Once it starts to change color, I will be adding in my red chilies also. The reason I do that is if I try to roast red chilies all by itself, sometimes it becomes smoky and smokes up the whole kitchen and everyone starts coughing and sneezing in my house. I don't want to get in trouble or put them through that. So I did that, and that is done now. Here is my tamarind. Usually the original recipe calls for frying of tamarind for it to become crispy, but this is a hack. I put it in the microwave for a minute in an interval of 2 or 3 times. Then it is done. It is crispy. You can powder all the ingredients to coarse powder. You can see in this bowl I have powdered everything and it is ready to go. Now I'm adding in the turmeric. Now goes in the salt, and the last ingredient will be the brown sugar. Now the key thing about this is mixing all these ingredients really well. Use your hands so you can rub it together and give it a very good mix. Last, the tempering. This is very important. I have taken sesame seed oil. This is what my grandma and my mom would use. That's what I'm using here. You can use any oil of your choice. I have added mustard seeds. And once it splatters, I'm going to add my hing, and the last thing is curry leaves. When you do this, add as much as curry leaves as possible. Here I got only this much, so I have added only this much amount of curry leaves. Add this tempering into the mix and let it cool down for a few minutes. Do not try to mix it at this point with your hands. Use some utensil to mix it. Here you go. This is how my chutney podi looks like. And once my chutney podi is cooled down completely, I put it in a bowl. Enjoy it with idli, dosa, even hot rice. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.